how to recover your Merrill Edge User ID. Hello and welcome back everybody. If you have forgotten your user ID for Merrill Edge, we can recover it online in just a few steps. So in today's video, we are providing you a step-by-step tutorial for that, so you may follow out this method. So we can head over to their website. You can go over, open it up, and look out for Merrill Edge. After that, go ahead and go to merrilledge.com. Now from this section, what we can do is we can basically look out for the top right corner and look out for login option here. Or if not here, we can directly find a login option on our screen. Now, under the login option right here, we can directly find an option called forgot password or forgot ID. Since we are trying to recover our ID, we can select this option called forgot user ID instead and go ahead and click on it. After that, we'll be taken to this section. So what we can do is we can just go over and head over to the space, and we need to enter the required information. So here they can ask us for email address or our last name, date of birth, last 4 digits of our SSN account information, etc. You can use that method right here first of all and click on submit, and you can enter the required information and click on continue. After the verification, your user ID will be directly shown or sent to your registered email or phone number. And you can just go over after you find it up and return to the main login page, and there you can just go over and sign in with your user ID that you just received and type your password and click on this option called login, and that way you will be easily accessing your Merrill Edge user ID. And that is it everybody. You may follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.